History. The year was 2011. A deadly tornado sweeping through Springfield, Massachusetts. It was 10 years ago. That twister left a 6-mile path of destruction through the city. The tornado was on the ground for more than 38 miles in western Massachusetts. In Springfield alone, 300 people were hurt and more than 500 were left homeless. It caused more than $175 million in damages. And meteorologist TJ Del Santo is going to be taking a closer look at that coming up new at 5. And Tony, you said we were just chatting about this. We have a history of some tornadoes, but nothing quite like that.
Yeah, we do have a tornado history, but that strength is pretty rare. Now, we categorize these storms on a scale from 0 to 5. That was a 3, which means they had winds of 160 miles per hour. I was working that night, and I was, a little concerned for obvious reasons, because the final path, it was 39 miles long. The storm actually finished in Southbridge, Mass., which is only, as the crow flies, maybe 18, 20 miles from the northwest Rhode Island border. So we were watching that very closely. You may wonder, the last tornado in our area, October 23rd, 2018. It was a 0. It was a weak tornado in North Providence and Lincoln. Nothing severe. Of course, we have quiet, much better deserved weather today, mild and dry. We take a peek outside under a blend of clouds and sunshine. We're looking at Newport right now. We'll call it partly sunny, and it feels so much better compared to where we were Saturday, Sunday, and even yesterday. It was only in the low 60s, and, well, this is much better. Mid to even upper 70s. 77 in Providence right now. Upper 60s, 10 degrees cooler, but still much better along the coastline. Of course, the sea breeze responsible for that coolness along the water's edge. So this milder stretch begins. Now, we do have some shower chances, and actually there's a very small chance tomorrow afternoon north and west of Providence of an isolated shower, but feel as though the chances increase more so both Thursday and Friday. I don't think either one of these days are washouts, but it is enough to at least keep the umbrella on standby. Both of these days more humid. You ready for summer? Who's not? Look at the temperatures over the weekend. In the 80s, in fact, we may be borderline hot by Sunday and into a better part of next week. Our satellite and radar composite showing just a few thin clouds mixing with the sunshine, otherwise nice and quiet. Moisture across the central plains, and while most of this will stay away for the time being, tracking north and east, a little sliver of this may try to sneak in later tomorrow afternoon with an isolated shower. Just feel as though, well, for starters, don't cancel anything outdoors tomorrow afternoon, but slight chance north and west of the city later in the afternoon of just a quick passing shower. All right, we like this color on the temperature map, yellow and orange, indicating springtime temps that are in the 70s, so looking pretty good. Let me step you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening. Watch the time bar, find your location, and let's set it into motion, which is fairly quiet this evening and overnight. Now, here we are tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., starting off in the mid to upper 50s. And really tomorrow, much like today, it's a blend of clouds and hazy sunshine. Your temperatures are in the upper 70s to near 80. Now, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here's Providence Metro. Draw your attention to right up in here. Maybe a quick, kind of a nuisance, quick passing rain shower in our northern suburbs around, say, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. If you've got any plans at that time, you may get, sidestep for maybe 15, 20 minutes and look, and then it's gone. So that's about it. We're not looking at a rainstorm. We've had enough rain already the last couple of days. And tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, it is in the upper 50s. How did that map get in there? All right, well, we'll play it back one more time. The forecast is so nice tomorrow that we'll show it again. Actually, you know what? We used 2 different computer models. So the first one I showed you shows a shower north and west of the city. And this is another computer model taken. Look at this. They agree. They're both showing that quick shower north and west of the city. Okay, we've seen enough of that. You get the idea of tomorrow afternoon. We take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow morning with a blend of both clouds and sunshine. Temperatures pretty nice. We'll call it warm in the 70s. And then during the afternoon hours, we'll watch for that random shower. Otherwise, it's mainly dry and temperatures pretty nice. All right, 7-day forecast. Looking at a better chance of a few scattered showers both Thursday and Friday. And Kim, talk about makeup from this past weekend. Saturday and Sunday feeling like summer, upper 80s on Sunday to near 90 and pushing 90 on Monday of next week. We're seeing signs next week of perhaps 90-degree weather extending into Wednesday of next week. I know the temperatures that we experienced this past weekend, unusual for this time of year. Is 90 also unusual on the other side of the spectrum? Well, the average high is 75, so that's what, 15 above the norm. Oof. All right. That's a roller coaster ride. It is New England. That's right. That's right. Crank up the AC. All right.